Ashley, are you ready? I want to take you out tonight.
Oh, where are we going?
Sushi, a real sushi place. My treat.
Sushi? That sounds nice. But do you even know how to order sushi?
Of course I do. No problem at all.
Really? You sound very sure.
Don't worry. Leave it to me. I'll handle everything.
I hope you don't panic when you see the menu.
No way. Trust me. I got this.
All right then, let's go and see.
Here we are. Looks great, right?
It does. Let's go in.
Don't worry, Ashley. I told you. I got this.
We'll see. Confident now.
Okay, maybe I need a little help.
That's why I'm here. Let's start with the basics.
Okay, what is nigiri?
Nigiri is simple. It's fish on top of rice.
So, sashimi has rice too?
Careful. Sashimi has no rice. Just fish. Only fish.
Oh, nigiri equals fish plus rice. Sashimi equals only fish, right?
Exactly. You got it.
And what about roll or maki?
A roll or maki is rice and seaweed wrapped around the filling. For example, salmon, tuna, cucumber.
Wait, so roll and maki are the same thing?
Yes, maki is the Japanese word. Roll is the English word. Same idea.
Okay, let me check. Nigiri equals fish on rice. Sashimi equals only fish on the filling.
Perfect. Summary is great.
But I usually just say, I want sushi.
That's too general. Better to say, I'd like a salmon roll, please.
I'd like a salmon roll, please.
One more time. I'd like a salmon roll, please.
I'd like a salmon roll, please.
Great. Now you really sound ready.
Ashley, what if someone does not want raw fish?
Then they can order tempura.
Tempura? What is that?
Tempura means fried food. Fried means cooked in hot oil. For example, fried shrimp or fried vegetables.
Oh, fried shrimp. That sounds really good. I think I like tempura.
Me too. I love tempura shrimp. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Careful, Ashley. You sound hungry already.
Maybe I am. But look here. Teriyaki is also very popular.
Teriyaki? What is that again?
Teriyaki means grilled meat or fish with a sweet sauce. Grilled means cooked over fire or on a hot pan, not in oil.
Sounds like something I would order.
And I would order teriyaki salmon. It's healthy and sweet at the same time.
Okay. Tempura equals fried in oil. Teriyaki equals grilled with sweet sauce. I like tempura shrimp and you like teriyaki salmon.
Perfect. Now you really sound like you know the menu. Quick question, Tom. What is the most important part of sushi?
Easy. The fish, of course.
Wrong. It's the rice. The rice is special. It has vinegar, sugar, and salt inside. That makes sushi taste different.
Really? So the rice is the star, not the fish.
Exactly. Without the rice, it's just fish, not sushi.
Okay, next time I will respect the rice. Wow, Ashley, there are so many rolls. Which ones are the most popular?
Let's go through 5 famous rolls. First, the California roll. It has crab, avocado, and cucumber.
Okay, California roll. That sounds safe.
Second, the dynamite roll. It has fried shrimp, avocado, and sauce.
Fried shrimp again? I think I like this one already.
Yes, but careful. Sometimes it can be a little spicy.
Spicy. Okay, maybe just one bite.
Third, the spicy tuna roll. Tuna mixed with chili sauce.
So, it's hot?
A little hot. Many people love it.
Mmm, I don't like hot.
Fourth, the Philadelphia roll. Salmon with cream cheese and cucumber.
Cream cheese? In sushi?
Yes, it's soft and rich. Very popular in many places. That's just cucumber inside. Simple, clean, and vegetarian.
Vegetarian? What does that mean?
Vegetarian means no meat, no fish, only vegetables.
Oh, so kappa maki equals cucumber, only vegetables.
Exactly. It's a safe choice for anyone who does not eat meat or fish.
Okay, so I understand. California equals safe. Dynamite equals fried shrimp. Spicy tuna equals hot. Philadelphia equals salmon with cheese. Kapamaki equals cucumber, vegetarian.
Perfect. You just learned the most popular rolls. Fun fact: the California roll was not made in Japan. It was made in the United States.
What? So it's not real sushi?
It is sushi, just American style.
Then I'm American sushi too.
More like American wasabi.
Oh no, wasabi is too strong for me. Every time I eat it, my nose is on fire. Ashley, I have a problem.
What now?
Sushi is nice, but I'm worried. What if I don't get full?
You sound like my little brother. He always says the same thing.
Well, I need real food, something heavy.
Don't worry. Sushi restaurants don't only have sushi.
Really? What else can I order?
Let me show you. We have noodles called udon and rice bowls called dong. Tom, do you still remember teriyaki?
Uh, Grilled meat with sweet sauce?
Good. See, you didn't forget.
I never forget food.
Now, about udon. Udon is noodles, big, thick noodles in hot soup.
Like ramen?
Similar, but udon noodles are thicker and softer.
Okay, I like noodles. I think udon is for me.
And don means a rice bowl. Rice in a big bowl with meat or fish on top. For example, beef teriyaki don.
Rice with beef teriyaki on top. Sounds really filling.
Exactly. Don is a good choice if you want something heavy.
So, udon is soup noodles. Don is rice bowl. I'll take udon.
And I'll take don. I like rice bowls more.
Great. Then we can share. Ashley, I see ebi here. Is that sushi or sashimi or nigiri?
Ebi means shrimp. You can have ebi nigiri.
Sashimi equals just shrimp. Got it.
Now, Thai. That's red snapper.
Snapper? What's that?
Snapper is a kind of white fish, soft and light. Not salmon, not tuna. It's different, more gentle in taste.
Oh, so Thai equals snapper equals whitefish, soft taste.
Exactly. Thai nigiri is fish on rice. Thai sashimi is just fish.
And this one, tobiko?
Tobiko is different. It's fish eggs, tiny orange eggs. They are usually on rolls, like California roll with tobiko on top.
Oh, so tobiko is not nigiri, not sashimi, but rolls.
Perfect. Now you see the difference.
Ebi equals shrimp, Thai equals snapper, whitefish. Both can be nigiri or sashimi. Tobiko equals fish eggs, usually on rolls.
Great to order.
I think so. I'd like a California roll, please. And a bowl of udon.
Perfect. Very natural.
And you?
I'd like salmon nigiri, please. And beef teriyaki don.
That sounds delicious. But I have one more problem.
Let me guess. Chopsticks?
No, I can use chopsticks if the food is big enough.
Then good luck with tobiko. The eggs will jump away.
True. Maybe I'll just use a spoon.
And don't forget soy sauce, wasabi, and ginger.
Okay, soy sauce. That's for dipping, right?
Yes, but just a little. Dip the fish, not the rice. Too much sauce can break the sushi.
I got it. Fish in, rice out.
Exactly. And ginger?
Hmm, it looks strange. Do I eat it with the sushi?
No. Ginger is for cleaning your mouth. You eat it between sushi pieces to change the taste.
Oh, like a reset button for my tongue.
Perfect. That's the best way to say it.
Okay. Soy sauce for dipping, wasabi for burning my nose, ginger for cleaning my mouth. I think I'm ready.
Ready to eat or ready to cry?
Both.
So, Tom,
Just fish. Sushi is rice.
good. What else?
California roll is American. Wasabi burns my nose. Ginger resets my taste. And I still can't use chopsticks.
That's a lot. You too. Watch again if you need.
Perfect. Then let's eat before I forget everything.
Or before the sushi runs away.
Don't scare me. Let's eat.